In this video, let's apply some textures to bring this fireplace to life. Let's take a look at two images that we have in our folder. One is the tile texture that repeats on the wall, and the other is of the branches that actually close in the fireplace itself. Take the select tool, make sure we can select this face, and go to File, Import, find our tile texture, make sure we have Use as Texture, and then click Import. Now these tiles are 12 inches by 12 inches. So for the image texture, after we click once to start, we want the second click for the width to be 24 inches. And that way, this texture ends right here because this is 5 feet long. Now we don't want this texture here, so we need to create a face for it. So take the rectangle tool and just draw a rectangle over that area. Let's select that face and make it a group, and then double click to enter that. And the reason why we do that is there's a glitch in Sketchup where when you import textures right on an edge, it'll apply it to the edge to the left instead of on the edge that you're actually trying to apply it onto. So by grouping this, not only does it isolate geometry, but it'll make it a little bit easier to view this and just apply the texture. We can hide the rest of the model just to see that a little bit better. And now just go to File, Import like we did before. In this case, we want to use the wood texture file. Click Import. Start in the bottom left and click once. And here, just notice that if I click all the way to here, it'll cover the entire model. However, if you want to distort this, you can hold down Shift and it'll apply this non-uniformly. And basically, that's good for when you have a crop texture like this that may be in a different proportion than the actual geometry itself. Take the select tool and just click off of the area. You'll notice the base has sort of a beige color to it. Just take the paint bucket, sample that beige color. Showing up a little too dark. Lighten that up a little bit. And let's go inside the base and just apply that texture. Remember, you can hold down Shift and apply it to all the faces that have that same color. As far as all the other items to decorate the fireplace, later we'll show you the 3D warehouse and some other online repositories where you can drag in SketchUp models, where you can add more entourage into the model. So that finishes up this chapter. Let's go ahead and move on to another area of the house.